Are you a basic naturalista? Are you unsure of the curl pattern and porosity of your hair? You use store-bought products instead of making your own? Then you are basic. If you're gonna rock your natural hair, you need to do it right. Let the professionals over at Know It All Naturalistas get you together. We currently offer 3 packages designed to fix your life. Purchase our introductory Big Chop package, and in no time you'll have a TikTok, Instagram, and vlog dedicated to confidently lecturing other women about their hair. Interested in a more immersive experience? Then you should try the TWA package, where you'll receive everything in the Big Chop package and learn how to make your own wooden earrings, chunky necklaces, and skincare products. And finally, if you want to become a premium naturalista, then the Chunky Twist Out package is calling your name. The Chunky Twist Out package includes everything in the first 2 packages, plus a wardrobe starter kit, where you'll receive your very own military fatigue jacket, kente cloth head wrap, and a My Melanin is Poppin' t-shirt. For more information on all we have to offer, hit us up on all the socials at Know It All Naturals, or call us at 525 that's 525 HMPH. Know It All Naturalistas. There's levels to this shit.